Hello, good morning. So it's a weekend here in Indonesia, and today we went to um, Posong. So I'm gonna show you our view. So today it's 8 a.m. Kanina pa kami nandito mga 5 a.m. kasi uh, inumpisahan namin yung sunrise. So, but this is now the view. I'm gonna show you one sec. This is our view. Look at it. It's so good in here. Say hi, Tobin.
Hi.
Where are you at? Where?
Warung.
No. Posong.
Posong, yeah.
So yeah, we ate in here. This is like it's a warung. Like this. With a view. Like this one. And show you. So good. The view is so good. It's like, I don't know, it looks like New Zealand or something. Pero sobrang ganda talaga dito. Yan. So pawala na yung mga ulap actually. And dito makapapa yung ulap. Dito hindi na masyado. Tapos after nito, pupunta naman kami ng Embong. Very similar to this one, pero parang dam siya, may water. And then pupunta kami ng Selanjur for overnight. Mag-overnight kami. Napapakita ko sa inyo yung pag-stay namin, pero it's a hotel on top of a hill. So yung Sea of Clouds, parang tanaw mo lang siya. Paglabas mo ng room, nandun na siya. So but this is really the view. So good in here, like, see, so good, so nice in here.